Hello, my name is Randy Lehoux, owner of Guitar Suspension Solutions and inventor of the Bodlock 2-in-1 guitar strap. I'm also the inventor of the Pivot-PadTM Guitar Cushion Support. I'm also the creator of Bif Zane music with 2 albums, Mama, Look, No Hands, and Get a Kazoo. Both of these albums are available as instrumentals. I'm also the author of Perfect Guitar Chords for 20 Scales. The Pivot-PadTM Guitar Cushion Support comes in 3 styles. There's either a 2-inch pad or a 4-inch pad. With the 2-inch pad, we have a large backboard or a medium backboard. With the 4-inch pad, we have a medium backboard. The Pivot-PadTM Guitar Cushion Support provides new options for seated play by either eliminating a strap or by enhancing a strap like Bodlock. Let's consider the effects of using a banjo without a strap in the traditional position by applying force with the legs to support the banjo. It requires a lot of energy. That's not much fun to play. On the outside of the leg, again, let's apply a 2-inch pivot pad with a medium backboard as a stirrup. Simply wrap the fabric backboard around the belt or tuck it into the waistline. It's sliding a little bit, but just I've relaxed my legs, and it's not completely stable, but the pad is being absorbed into the brackets of the banjo for greater resistance. Now this is a medium pad that's right on the edge of falling out. So selecting a larger backboard may actually benefit depending on how far out on your leg you're going. Pivot pad can also benefit the player when using the banjo on the outer leg. With some guitars, a Pivot-PadTM Guitar Cushion Support can eliminate the need for using a strap. If you're recording, I like using my strap and my pivot pad when I'm recording, and I don't want to drop my guitar, because if I'm not using them and I go to reach for something, I have to be careful that my guitar wants to go wherever it wants to go. Playing a classical guitar using a footstool is typically the method chosen, but the advice is that musicians try to find a way to relax their bodies Some of the devices from the 1700s I've read use a stand to hold the guitar. So positioning, angling, support are all important elements. I don't find this to be a real comfortable position over time. Release the guitar and it's going to slide. Let's apply a 2-inch pivot pad with a large backboard as a stirrup to support the classical guitar using a footstool. Let's start with the classical guitar position and slide the stirrup in . Play better longer. By adding a 4-inch pivot pad with a medium backboard, we can eliminate the need for a footstool altogether. If you release the grip, the guitar is still going to slide. Let's consider using the 2-inch pad with a large backboard and the 4-inch pad with a medium backboard. Play better longer. See how guitar suspension solutions can help you win. The Bard-Lock 2-in-1 guitar strap and the Pivot-Pad Guitar Cushion Support are versatile tools that can help you play better longer. To watch more videos like this one, visit GuitarSuspensionSolutions.com. And please check out Bif Zane on Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Prime, and more. Thank you for watching.